Rupert Bert Goldberger. Born in Vienna, Austria, Bert Goldberger grew up in the village of Penitz. Bert graduated from high school in 1948, completed trade school in 1951, and was employed in a paper mill from 1948 until he immigrated to Canada in 1957. During his youthful years in Austria, he played semi-professional soccer with Club Ortmann in the Austrian B division. In 1957, he arrived in Canada where he moved to Edmonton and became a player-coach for the Victoria Club. He remained with Victoria Club until his retirement as a player in 1966. In 1971, he was appointed the first technical director of the Alberta Soccer Association, and soon became a national coaching instructor for the Canadian Soccer Association's National Coaching Certification Program. In a time when national and provincial technical directors came and went, Bert remained loyally in that position for several decades. In 1988, he coached the national Under-16, leading Team Canada to a place in the FIFA Under-16 finals in Scotland in 1989, a performance they repeated in 1992 and 1993 when the finals were held in Japan. Bert Goldberger has received the Government of Alberta's Coaching Award, the 3M Coaching Award for Canada, in addition to being honored with the CSA Award in appreciation of over 20 years of dedicated service to the association. Rupert Bert Goldberger, 2011 inductee.